Phoebe Science Sundays. Today we're making Teabag rockets. We find a yucky tea bag that we don't want to drink. We empty out the tea and we unfold it. We stand it on the ground and then we light it. Get an adult to light it for you.
Or me.
Or Daddy. Thank you.
Right, let's see what happens. Oh, it did a bit. Well,
that rocket didn't work very well.
let's try another one.
Let's try that one. It's just in the picture for you. Go, rocket!
Oh, there it goes. Oh,
that was a good one.
that was a better one, wasn't it? Do another one.
Yeah.
Right, ready?
You hold my hand.
Okay.
You press it. Go, rocket, go! It pushes it down and then it goes, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Flames!
Oh, that didn't go at all.
No. We'll try a different kind of tea bag this time and we'll hope it goes. Or I mean works. And that's what it looks like. Oh. That was a rubbish one.
Yeah, I think Mummy was wrong about that.
Last try. We hope it works and it goes. Springs up.
Okay, ready?
And it's in the picture. We'll show you how it works. It's probably going to go like the other ones.
Yeah, that one doesn't work.
That's how it works. That's how tea
Proper
bags
science, that is.